do have a chance of storms in the forecast. So we're going to check in with meteorologist Suzanne Horgan. Suzanne, not everybody might see the showers, though.
We'll have a decent shot for a few showers during the first part of the day, especially across sections of southern Indiana and moving into the metro. Then it looks like the rain will be a little bit more scattered as we head into your afternoon hours. And that's when we're also looking at the threat of some thunderstorm activity. You can see as we give you a live look outside, it is a bit darker on the horizon now as we're giving you a live look outside from our KFC Yum Center camera. So you'll notice temperatures stay warm. We're going to be warm, we're going to be muggy, and a little bit on the breezy side. We'll hold on to the chances of seeing some shower and thunderstorm activity during the first part of the day. Then we're watching for those scattered storms to fire up during the afternoon hours. You'll notice we're seeing that line of shower activity that's continuing to progress down to the south and to the east. However, it is weakening as it's continuing to push down to the south and to the east. But we are currently getting in on some rain into New Albany, also into Floyd's Knobs, over into Greenville, some nice little soaking rain for you there. Also into Sellersburg, right along Interstate 65, we're seeing some pockets of moderate rain. And also into Borden, you're seeing some of that moderate to heavy rainfall at this time. So this is courtesy of a cold front that's going to be sweeping through our region. And you'll notice as we time this out for you, a decent shot for our morning hours to see some of that rain as that continues to kind of push down to the south and to the east. Now notice what's happening this afternoon. We begin to see some additional shower and thunderstorm activity developing in the heat and humidity of the day, but it is more scattered. So not everyone gets to tap into some of this moisture, but those who do will most likely have a soaking downpour and perhaps even some gusty winds associated with a few of those storms firing up. We'll continue to watch for that pushing down to the south and to the east, even into our evening hours. So as far as the forecast is concerned for today, it is warm, it is muggy, and it is unsettled for us. Temperature-wise, we should be able to recover into the lower 90s. And again, we'll hold on to breezy conditions and the chance of storms.